Well, hello and welcome to this video on the Express Maintenance Purchasing module. During this video, we're going to be taking a look at your parts reordering menu. For parts reordering, in the last video, we talked about parts inventory. Now we're going to be taking a look at actually doing a reorder analysis and then showing you how to actually place those purchases. So this reordering menu, you get there by going to Maintenance and Inventory Analysis and then clicking on Reordering, or you can go straight there by going to Purchasing and then go to Parts Reordering. Now, you have a couple different menu options up here. You can run your report, which just simply prints off any of the information that is on your screen. You can create a purchase order. We're going to get to that. And you can also show open purchase orders. So and that's for the parts that show up. Now, your search option here is we're looking at either quantity within reorder. If I want to search for all of my quantity within reorder minimum, then I just hit search, and that's going to give me all of those that have met their minimum on hand. You see here we have quantity on hand with a minimum on hand of 10. That's why this part is showing up. If I wanted to expand that a little bit, to where I want a quantity within reorder of 1, then hit search. Now I'm seeing more because there are more that are within at least 1 of hitting their minimum. So that's why those are showing up. Now, the ones that are going to get reordered are the ones that have met their minimum on hand. Okay, now I can order to my minimum or I can order to my maximum. So you'll notice we have quantity 7, minimum on hand of 10. That's why our shortage is 3. Our maximum on hand is 20. That's why our max shortage is 7. And then we have quantity on order is 2. So because we have a shortage of 3, our adjusted shortage is 1 because we already have 2 on order. And I can see those POs if I just simply click this button here. And there's a PO with 2 on it. Okay. So, but the adjusted shortage is showing a 1. So I still need to purchase that, because if I don't, I'm not going to meet my minimums. But like I said before, you can also order to your maximum. All right, so let's go ahead and order to our maximum on this ATM screen. And I'm going to create purchase order for this selected part. And you'll notice that it opens up the purchase order and it places the part in the order item. And then notice that the quantity here reflects what was required to bring it to its maximum. Okay, if I close this, come back here and I order to my minimum, and then create purchase order on this selected part, it's only going to bring it up to 1 because I just need 1 more to meet my minimum. Okay, so that's how that works. Now, the way that you enter your purchase order, we're going to get into purchase orders in depth in another video, and then we'll look at how to actually receive against those. But for now, that is the parts reordering menu. And if you have any questions, you'll see a slide here in just a few seconds that will show you how to contact us, or of course, go to our website, Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube channel. You can always reach us there as well. We look forward to serving you, and thanks for being an Express Maintenance customer.